In this video, we're going to see the update operation in a delta lib table. First, I'm importing the libraries, then creating a Spark session object and read the data. So while reading data to update a delta table, we have to use a DeltaTable API. So DeltaTable is DeltaTable API dot for path spark and the actual path to the file. So to perform transactional operations like merge, update, and delete, we'll use this DeltaTable API. So toDF method returns the data frame representation of the delta table. DF is delta table toDF df.show gives the data. Now let's see how we update delta tables. First, I'm selecting the director column. This is the director column. There are some null values. I want to replace these null values with unknown, a string literal unknown. So df update, I'm giving the condition. Condition is call director column is null. If it is null, this is the condition. Then set, if this is the condition, then set is unknown. Close the bracket. So delta table dot update, the condition is if the column director has any null values, then set the director to unknown. This is a string literal. Now if we execute, if we want to see the director column, we could see all the null values are replaced with unknown. Now another way to update is using SQL syntax. So I'm giving the SQL query update delta dot backtick the actual path to the data. Set director is null where director is unknown. I'm just reversing whatever I did previously. So this is my SQL query. Now result is spark.sql query result. So some rows are affected. Now if I want to look at what changes are done, so we could see all the rows with the value unknown is replaced with null. Next, we'll see how we could update multiple columns at once. So for the title here, for the movie title Ganglands, we'll update both the rating and duration. First, we'll see how these values are. So we could see for the movie Ganglands, the rating is TVMA and duration is 1 season. Now I want to change the rating to PG-13 and duration to 100 minutes. So the syntax is deltatable.update, condition is call title is Ganglands, set rating is PG-13, duration is 100 minutes. If you could see here, we have given string literal. You should be careful with the syntax. If we look at the same columns again, we could see for Ganglands, the rating is changed to PG-13 and duration is 100 minutes. Next, we'll see how to update using string pattern matching. So first we'll look at two columns, title and director. For this column, go to factory. I want to update the director's name to Raghav. For that, I import lower function and condition is lower of column title contains factory set director to Raghav. We'll look at whether it is updated or not. So we could see the change in the director value to Raghav. So these are different ways in which we could update delta tables. The most important thing is we have to use the DeltaTable API for updating data or for merging data or deleting data. And toDF to represent the delta table to a data frame, and then use update method to set different column values to our required values. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.